What's up, guys? The time has come. If you guys haven't seen my Crypto Bull Society video, I did win the raffle. I was able to get 2 bulls, and I was about to make a video talking about how tomorrow is the reveal. They're revealing them on Friday, so we just got this right here. So they just dropped this that said, hey, change of plans. Now we're releasing them 24 hours early. Go ahead, go to your MetaMask, or go to OpenSea and hit refresh metadata. So we're about to do that. We're about to reveal our bulls. I really hope they're not ugly. So let's do it together. All right. Let's pull up OpenSea. All right. Oh, yes. Look at these bad boys right here. I was really hoping for one that had hoodies. I didn't want like some super robot looking or like evil looking or like piercings everywhere. These are pretty dope. Okay, nice. Let's zoom in on these. Can I zoom in on these without my computer lagging? Oh, man, I am pumped about these for sure. Holy cow. If you guys entered the raffle and won and got yourselves a bull, make sure you hold on to them. These things have been going up in value. The mint price was only 0.22 ETH, and before these were even released, the floor price went all the way up to I think like almost 1 ETH or a little higher than that. If I had to imagine, there's almost 8,000 of these that are getting revealed right now, right? So the ones that people think are ugly or they don't like or whatever, I'm sure there'll be a bunch of, trying to sell those to buy the ones that they like. So I'm sure we'll see the price fluctuate a little bit here for a minute. But what's awesome is you're going to get a crypto bear if you're holding a crypto bull. So make sure you don't get rid of your bulls yet. If I were you, I would hold on to them. That's what I plan on doing. Not financial advice, of course. But if you guys haven't seen it already, let's roll the trailer. Yes. So make sure you guys don't sell your crypto bulls unless you're just trying to, get out of the whole NFT space. Like, you're going to get a free NFT just by holding your bulls. So, if these are going for over 1 ETH by then, I mean, that could be some money. Hey, let's check out some of the bulls real quick. That totally looks like a Texas Longhorns fan right there. There's a lot more normal looking ones than I thought. They kept posting pictures of like that, the NASA one, which would be cool to have. I wouldn't mind having that one. But like just a bunch of like super crazy ones. So this is pretty cool. Let's filter price high to low and let's see what some of these bad boys are running. Dang. Okay, I like this hoodie for sure. No one's ever going to pay these prices right here. I think this just means they ain't selling. This is cool. NASA. Yeah, I think the 7777. They ain't selling these. They ain't trying to sell these. I've seen a few NASA jackets, but no, I haven't seen the astronaut yet. It did say, note that the legendary will not be revealed until a few days. Okay, so maybe like those super fancy ones like the NASA astronaut and some of those, I guess those might be considered the legendary ones. So, yeah, I don't know what that means. Maybe if yours still looks like the bull with the question mark in it, maybe you got a legendary. Let us know in the comments. That would be cool. Well, cool. It looks like we got a pretty some rarities here. 4% with the blue hoodie, 1% with the earrings, 6% with the leather horns. So that's cool. Jeez, these are offers people were giving me. 0.75 ETH. Man. And I paid 0.22 for these. So that's like over triple your money right there. All right, let's check out the other one. All right, so Blue Bull with the blue hoodie. All right, hoodie dark blue, 4%. Green eyes, 16%. Smiling blue fur, 7%. Black beanie, 7%. So this one doesn't seem quite as rare. But hey, I am happy with the two I got. I will take these right here. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's the two bulls we got. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we're going to be letting you guys know about a lot of cool NFT projects that we find that we're going to jump in on. And also, we're just trying to help the average person get ahead. So, you know, we're always making videos on how you can make extra money, or how you can put your money in a certain place to earn some extra cash on the side. So make sure you guys join our journey. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.